Hello everyone, welcome to the Maraka'S TV show. This is the Maraka'S TV show. For those who are new, please subscribe, like, share. Welcome. So in this channel, I share the word of God. I react on the movies, the good deeds that most of the YouTubers do on the internet, on the YouTube. So in the society, when they post it, I react on them, and also I do pretty much things like cooking and part of my life story. So welcome if you're new here. So today I'm cooking dinner for those who are coming from work, and I'm really cooking it late right now, but I have fish and rice is already cooked. I'm just gonna warm it, and like in this family, some people eat fish, some people eat chicken only. Some people eat both chicken, fish, meat, whatever, goat meat, and all of that. So this one, I'm going to cook chicken here probably. Let me start soaking it up in water. Yeah, I've been busy with friends, so I did not really get time to with friends and yeah, doing other stuff that I was doing. So right now, I put onion and tomato in the saucepan here cooking. So this saucepan of mine, I cook everything. In fact, it's baked. You can bake cake here. You can bake bread here. You can bake pretty much everything here. You can fry everything here. You can also use it for cooking. The way I'm doing, making stew, soup, and all of that. So my aim is that this tomato cook come soft before I can add a little water, and then I will put the soup. After I put some water for soup, for making soup. Okay, let me increase. Okay, so now I am making. I put the tomato and I put the paste, tomato paste a little bit. Okay, I'm looking for the beef. Okay, I have one left. That means tomorrow I need to buy the beef. Um, the beef cube first. So I don't put so much because this food is for 3 people only. I like to put quarter. Yeah, I think quarter is enough. So let me put some water. I think this month we are not into pepper. I'm cooking most of my sauce without uh, putting pepper in it. But I will put the bell pepper for the green bell pepper. I like flavor for the green bell pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this sauce to boil. Then I will put the fish inside. Okay. Okay. Hi, sweetie baby. Hi guys. Hello, my husband saying hi just from work. So I put the fish already in the stew. So this will take about 20 minutes. It's ready. You can wait. Are you able to wait? Okay. Yeah. So how's your day, sweetie? Monday. Welcome home. Monday. I know it's very tiresome Monday. So my fish is already. Ooh. So okay. Mm. This one is cooking. This one is for cooking rice. Oh, okay. I'm gonna turn off and try which way I can cook this fish. Oh, oh, guys, I made it. Yeah, yeah, that's the tilapia fish. It's very delicious. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's serving time, guys. Thank you for watching. So this fish, I put all the herbs inside. So ready to be cooked. Put salt, onion, um, thyme, beef stock, um, black pepper, bell pepper, what again? Yeah, all the spices that I need to put, I already put it here. And I'm gonna leave it to marinate more for more 10 minutes. Then I will finish cooking that one later.